Hey, welcome back to Kitchen Hero. On today's episode, we're making cereal two ways. You're probably wondering where I've been the last couple weeks. Had a little work done, but obviously it didn't take, so I think it's time I need to go get a refund. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, and be amazed. Alright, for this recipe you're going to need a bowl, a spoon, some cereal, milk. So real simple. First way, add your cereal, add your milk, spoon. Alright, this is the second way. Bowl, spoon, cereal, and milk. This is how they do it in Canada. I don't know, don't ask why. Milk first, cereal, spoon. Alright, so there you have it. Two ways to make cereal. One's a little bit easier than the other. I give them about a 5 to 6 out of 10 out of scale difficulty. But hey, you know, what can you do? Just keep practicing, it'll get easier, I promise. Please like and subscribe. Share this video on everywhere possible. Facebook, Instagram, any social media. It goes a long way to help us have some fun. And we've got some great videos coming up here in the future. We got a couple spoofs. So expect to see the Pioneer Woman here shortly. And we'll see what else we got in store for you. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.